Most people think discipline is about forcing yourself to do things you hate. We treat it like a daily battle of willpower. But neuroscientists agree. If you constantly force it, your brain will always resist. Here is how you actually rewire your brain to enjoy discipline without the friction.
First, lower your dopamine baseline. When your brain is constantly flooded with cheap dopamine from short videos, notifications, and instant gratification, normal focus feels painfully boring. When you intentionally embrace low stimulation moments like a quiet walk or sitting without your phone, discipline stops feeling like a punishment. Second, shift your identity, not just your actions. Telling yourself, I have to study, or I have to work out, creates internal resistance. Instead, reframe it, I am the type of person who values focus. When an action aligns with who you believe you are, discipline becomes natural. Third, remove the starting friction. Your brain defaults to the path of least resistance. If you want to build a disciplined habit, make the first 2 minutes embarrassingly easy. Want to read? Just open the page.
Discipline isn't punishment, it's the highest form of self-respect. Pick one small habit today and lower the friction. Which habit are you choosing to simplify today? Let me know in the comments below.